open it, Evan? What did you get? No. Oh, pull it. Rip it. Oh, good job.
Whoa.
What is it? What is that? Wow. That's from Nana and Pop for your birthday. That's Mr. Potato Head. Oh, you want me to help you open it?
Yeah.
Okay, can you say thank you, Nana and Pop? You want to play with it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh. You get it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a handle just for Evan. Oh. Okay, I open it. Can you say thank you, Nana, Pop? Evan, you say thank you. Thank you. Is that Pop or Mr. Potato Head? Mr. Potato Head. Okay.